Try to do it with solutions of soap and you only get so far. What we're going to do in this case is I'm going to treat the large stain and then I'll keep the others. And so you can see the difference. Using Peat Sorb to absorb the oil, and I'll be using just a cheap carburetor spray to raise the oil out of the concrete. Now I will spray the stain with carburetor cleaner. And immediately clean it up with Peat Sorb. You can see how it's absorbing. Okay, let me just brush the Peat Sorb out of the way. And you can see the difference. And I can just touch up and treat a few smaller areas and it should be not noticeable at all. Okay, now I've cleaned up the stain and I'd like you to tell me where it was, because you can't even see it anymore, but the other stains are still there. So I'm going to go ahead and get those done before the wife gets home. This is Peat Sorb and carburetor cleaner.